Carlin, you were up at 6 a.m. this morning. And we jumped on, and you came up with a new word, proactive pleasure.
Yes, as I was awake and the light was coming in through my drapes, I thought, as women, we're conditioned to go for reactive pleasure. So
Mm-hmm.
I react. It's when a partner initiates with me,
Mm-hmm.
or it's when I feel desire.
Right, right. Yes.
Right. But as we age, as life gets complicated, as we're going through cancer treatments or divorces or losses, it's really easy to scrape pleasure off the plate.
Right. It's almost like we're waiting for an invitation instead of giving ourselves permission.
So that means that I'm going to schedule pleasure. I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to prioritize my pleasure. I'm going to think about the things that bring me pleasure, and I'm going to do them even when I don't feel like doing it. And this past Sunday, we held an erotic recess. And the day before, we were on the phone. I was like, oh, erotic recess. I'm kind of tired. I just want to lay on the couch and binge watch something. And then we got there, and it was so wonderful. And we had such a good time, and we had all these orgasms. And we thought, that's the thing. It's like schedule it and show up.
Well, I felt the same way, Carlin. Like Sunday, I'm looking at the clock, like, oh, it's coming up. Oh, I'm kind of like, it's like going to a party that, I committed to, but, I'm really not that enthusiastic about going. But I pushed myself to go, and I had like a huge orgasm to kick it off.
I know. And you were first. Usually you're like in the middle.
Right.
And then I looked at your face, and your face was like beet red. And I was like, oh, Laura, that was a good one. And when Laura, it's a really good one, she kicks her legs out.
Yeah.
And you see it on the camera. And I was like, oh, wow, Laura, I'm almost jealous.
Right. And you know what? I would not have taken that time on my own. It was because we had planned it. It was on the calendar. I even felt kind of obligated to be there, right? So,
Well,
but
we're hosting.
right?
Well, how can we not come?
Right. Exactly. So, that's it. Putting it on the calendar, planning, prioritizing.
And knowing that, like, it always is amazing to touch your vulva, play with your breasts, and then if you can end it with an orgasm, that's always good. It's not like I ever have an orgasm and go, oh, what a waste of time.
Right.
I could have been organizing the closet, or
Mhm.
I could have done XYZ. I could have read that book. Afterwards, I'm like, oh my God, when I'm in the afterglow and I have a couple of
Mhm.
moments of empty mind,
Mhm.
it's just, it's
Mhm.
bliss. But
Yes.
it's easy to get sucked into the tasks. And I
Mhm.
really believe it's our conditioning.
Yeah. I totally agree. I totally agree. It's like, we'll do it for someone else, but not for us. I think it goes back to that permission. Give yourself permission.
And sign up for stuff. And I'm thinking about our workshop we're having November 8th and 9th in Cleveland, Ohio. And, we take 12 hours and we have the whole weekend
Mhm.
to connect to our bodies, explore our preferences, and then, have that sisterhood with all of these people that and all the women are amazing. And once it's on the calendar, right?
Yes.
And I'm putting money into it. And women would say that about virtual work. It was like, well, I have the session, I have the hour. Prioritizing pleasure also means making space and committing time and money to it.
Yes.
And it's amazing how when we do that, it's like that's why we ask for deposits down, because then
Mhm.
it helps you get through the resistance. And if you
Mhm.
feel like, oh yeah, I'm not going to show up to that workshop, it's like, oh, I got 400 and I got to show up.
Right,
And then
right.
you show up and you always have a great time and you
Yes.
learn something and you make connections with all these amazing women. And we'd love to see you in this circle. So proactive pleasure.
Mhm.
I feel like Betty would be proud because that's what Betty did. She created a life centered around pleasure.